Have you ever heard the saying, do it until you can get it naturally, until it comes to you like second nature? That's really how I came up with the slogan of the concept of hog on. Because from a personal standpoint, it means hustling over grounded obstacles naturally. So I had to keep hustling until I got it naturally to it. It was like second nature to me. You know what I mean? Like saying my name or greeting someone or speaking to someone or loving someone close to me. It was nothing. And that's the same way you're gonna have to do whatever it is you're trying to do. And with hog on welding, I'm just pursuing my own personal dream to be independent. Now, with welding and hip hop, what I'm doing, I'm going to help you pursue your personal dream. So if you are into hip hop or and you want to trade, or you just say, hey man, I'm into this, but I really do want to learn a physical trade. Well, I can show you how to get a physical trade to help finance your music career. And that's what Hog On Welding is about. And that's what this welding hip hop is about. Teaching you how to be truly independent, get a trade, and still follow your passion if music is your passion. But you got to keep doing it till you get it naturally.